The 2008 Infiniti G37. The G37, a deeper level of performance, a new level of exhilaration. The car is blistering quick, yet returns 21 miles per gallon overall and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power windows, fog lamps, passenger airbag, remote power door locks, trip computer, speed proportional power steering, tachometer, leather seats, power mirrors, heads-up display, privacy glass, remote window operation. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.